how you can share your Instagram post on your Pinterest. Now, this is a really simple process. So, before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now, let's start. First, open up your Pinterest. And after you've opened your Pinterest, just go to your profile. And then, after you go to your profile, just click on this plus icon right here. Click on Create Pin, and then this page should open up, right? So what you want to do here is go to a post that you want to download and press on this three icon right here, three dots right there, and click on copy link. Now after you've copied the link to this profile, this post, just and then just paste the URL right there, click on enter, and here it comes. So just click on this, click on add pin, and then just add your title. Just gonna say flower close up, and now just hit save. Now just create a board, pick, create it, and just save it. So that's how you do it. Let's go to our profile now. And after you go to our profile, as you can see, there is a board right there, that there is pins right there, and there you can see the post. So that is how you share your Instagram posts to your Pinterest. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to like the video.